The Sound of Moo-sic by Isadora Rose and Alex Wilmore. We've read this one a couple of times, haven't we? Yeah. Connor Cow loved to sing. He sang all day long. In fact, the only time he wasn't singing was when he was fast asleep. Moo, moo, moo. One day, Connor grew tired of singing on his own. I'm going to sing for my friends, said Connor happily. Going to go looking for his friends. Not far away, Connor spotted Oliver Owl hurrying to her treetop in the woods. I'll sing for Oliver, thought Connor excitedly. And there's Owl heading to the woods. Moo, 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 sang Connor at the top of his voice. Stop it, yelled Owl. I've been out all night and I just want to go to sleep. Go and sing somewhere else, please. Moo, said Connor. Poor Connor, he just wants to sing. Walking through the woods, Connor came to a small clearing. This looks like a theatre, he chuckled. I'll put on a special show for Dora Deer. And there's Dora Deer having something to eat. Who's the cow? That's Connor. Yeah. Moo, 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 sang Connor louder than ever before. But Dora didn't stay to listen. The noise was way too loud. It scared her away. Moo, said Connor. Poor Connor. No one wants to listen to him singing. Natalie Nightingale was resting in a tree at the edge of the woods. Moo, 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 began Connor, but Natalie held her wings to her ears. Please don't sing for me, she said. Oh no. Let me sing for you. Birds have much sweeter voice. Listen. Chirp, chirp, cheep. Then Natalie Nightingale filled the air with beautiful birdsong. Moo, said Connor. She does sound very nice, doesn't she? Poor Connor. He wants to sing. Nobody wants to sing with me, sighed Connor sadly. Connor was just about to go home when he heard the commotion coming from just up ahead. Look up ahead. Moo, 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 moo. Connor followed the noise and was amazed to discover a field that was filled with cows just like him. Best of all, the cows were all singing. Moo, 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 moo. Oh, listen to all the cows singing. They sound just like Connor. They do. Moo, moo, moo. Come and make music with us, said the cows when they spied Connor. We love singing. Look at them all, so excited to see Connor. Connor had never been so happy. Now I'm part of a choir, he chuckled. Moo, 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 moo. They moved all day long. You like that one? The Sound of Moo-sic.